My name is Andrew Burke. I am an electrical apprentice with Southern Air, and I'm currently in my second year of CVCC's electrical program. What I enjoy most about construction is seeing the start to finish process throughout the entire project, actually knowing where the power comes from and how it actually gets from the substation or the big plant to then in your home that's, charging your phone or your toaster or your oven.
We are at Heritage Hall Nursing Home in Blackstone, Virginia. Today, inside, we're actually making up some butt splices in a junction box that are coming from the switchgear outside. You can't see it right now, but the switchgear outside that then goes into the junction box that's feeding different panels in different areas of the nursing home. It's going to feed one of the main panels that's going to charge some of the air conditioning units on the roof and then go to different panels throughout the facility to power different things. For what we're doing right now, that portion, like the terminations and like the conductors part is like really helping me out here. Just like the book knowledge is now, I can see how it's being implemented out here in the field.
He's a driven individual, very inquisitive, asks plenty of questions and kind of had that I want to know, I need to know attitude. I'm glad that he's not just the student that sits at the seat. He takes the time to figure out what we're learning, and then if there's some reinforcement that he needs, he'll ask that question. He's a natural. He just catches on really quickly, and I'm glad to be a part of that process with him. The students, they work during the daytime. I want them to share their experiences during the day, and we can make that real through the curriculum.
Work starts at 7 there, and then, working there, it's still rough in stage, so we're, mounting boxes, putting conduit in them, running up through the ceiling to junction boxes. I got in my car, came here to class, arrived at around 5-ish, make sure I was early.
We all need plumbers, we all need HVAC techs, we all need electricians at some point, and we need to make sure that we've supplied that workforce so when that need arises, someone's there to respond. People recognize apprenticeship, they recognize that term. Because it's a registered apprenticeship, that level of support to where the business is not tasked with providing the education institution provides that. But then the business provides the on-the-job training, right? And that real-world experience that, frankly, an education institution can't provide. So it's a great combination with a registered apprenticeship of the classroom meeting what the real world needs.
The program itself, it's a good program to get into. If I had a problem like myself with my own home, I don't have to call on, a contractor or anyone else. I can, take care of that myself. And I feel like I'm part of something bigger, making something bigger happen.